Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL U5 HD, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the phone. So to get started, you want to pop off the back cover, which has a little pry area right here, as you can see. So carefully, using your fingernail or any kind of other slim tool, you want to pry off the cover all around. You don't want to pull on it too hard because you might actually break it. It's made out of plastic after all. There we go. And from there, once you take it apart, you have space for SIM card and I believe SD card somewhere. So this looks to be the SD card right on the left side. So you place it like so. And there we go. And then I assume that SIM will be under the battery. So let's remove it. And yep, there it goes. So right over here. Like so. You can see the image and reflection. Oh, there we go. So you can see there it is, the image, how you're supposed to insert the card. And once you place it in there, put back the battery. And from here, let's power it back on. Now you should probably put on the cover back on the device, but I won't really bother right now. So turn it on. And as you can see, now that the device is back on, it tells me to put in a SIM card pin. So the SIM card is obviously working. And SD card is working as well, as you can see from here. So that is how you'd insert both SIM and SD card into the phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.